Oh, the joys of our British winter weather. Look at the state of it out there. Course is closed, hammering it down. Are we going to go for a game of golf? Nah, don't think so. Let's see what we've got in here. Let's make a couple of steps round here, straight into this lovely warm studio. And look what we have on screen. Pebble Beach, 7th hole. Let's play a few shots. Let's see if we can knock some close. Little sand wedge, 114 yards downhill. Not a bad little first one, that. Tell you what, beats playing out there in that rain. Let's have another go. Oh, listen to that rain on this roof, it's horrendous. But it's nice and dry in here.